What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Finn the Human from Fortnite. Let's begin today's lesson along the top of our page and draw an oval for the inside of the head. We'll start right in the middle at the very top, go out toward the left, and then in towards the center. And we go all the way around the right side, and then back up towards the top. Let's move to the inside and draw two small ovals and fill those in black for the eyes. And then we want to give the character some expression with the eyebrows. So on top of the left eye, I'm going to bend the eyebrow going up and then out. And then on the right side, I'm going to bend this across and up. And then on the inside, I'm just going to pull up the brow. Let's move down and draw in the mouth. Starting on the left, bend this across and up a little bit higher on the right side. Round out the mouth, come down towards the bottom. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to round out the mouth and just close this off. Along the top of the mouth, we're going to add the teeth. On the left, draw one half circle. Do that again. And leave a gap and add one more on the right. And then on the bottom right, we're going to add the tongue, going up and then down. Let's fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now from here we're going to move up to the top of the head. Let's add a curve from left to right, going up and then down. And I'll add those 2 points. On the left we're going to step in and go up, round this out. I'm just going to bring that down towards the bottom of the head to right about there. Let's do the same thing on the right, going up, around the side of the face, and then down towards the same height. Let's close off the bottom with a curve. Now with the head complete, let's leave a gap and we're going to draw the top edge of the gun. We're going to start over on the left side, draw a straight line going all the way across to right about there. And then on the ends, draw a short line coming down. On the right side, we're going to add 3 fingers around the bottom. So we're going to start with an oval going up, down, and then back up. Let's layer 2 more in behind. We'll add 1 more on the end. Let's go back over towards the left side, draw a straight line coming in behind the fingers. Now I'm going to add some detail inside. So we're going to move over, draw 1 line. Now let's add some texture. We're just going to repeat this all the way across towards the right side. And just stop on top of the finger. Let's add a small circle on the top. And then on the left side, we're going to go up and draw a square. Let's draw the end of the gun. From the top corner, step down, go straight across, flatten out the end, and then come back in. Now halfway along this line, we're going to come down, and then back in. Let's close off the front, and then along the top, we're going to add another square. Now let's go back to the base of the head. We're going to continue the body coming straight down on top of the gun. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to draw the shoulder straps, going out and then down. And then in the center, add a seam with a curve. Now over on the left side, we're going to have the left arm holding the handle. Let's start with a curve coming down and up like a half circle. On the left side, we're going to bend this out and then down. Now from the front, we're going to step over, draw the trigger finger, going around and back in. Step in, add 2 more fingers. And from this one, we're going to curve around the palm and then up towards the wrist. Let's place the handle along the bottom. Now we're going to trace that top finger around the outside for the trigger. Now we're going to go back to the shoulder strap. We're going to draw the outside of the arm coming around and then in towards the bottom of the hand. So we'll start up here, going out, around, and then in. Now I'm going to step down, trace the inside of the arm going around, and then in. Let's add the sleeve. Now we want to draw the back end of the gun. We're going to come down and out, straight down, flatten this off, and then pull that back up. Now I want to continue the body along the bottom towards the hips. Line up the right side, coming down. Now let's go back to the side of the body. We're gonna draw the elbow, coming down, bend that straight up, continue up along the top, and then in towards the strap. From the hips, we're gonna step in towards the middle, step down, add a curve from left to right, coming down and then up. Now let's go back to the left side. We're gonna bend the leg going out and then down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and then down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet, coming down and then up. Now I want to round out the end of the foot and then bend that back in and then down. Let's go to the top of the foot, draw a straight angle line going up, curve this down and in, step down, add the trim. Let's do the same thing on the right, going up, curve this around, and add the trim. Now we're going to go back to the hips, we're going to bend this in along the side of the leg, and we'll follow the same curve going out and then down in behind the boot. Along the top of the leg, we're going to add a curve for the edge of the shorts. And then along the top, we're just going to add another curve for the edge of the shirt. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Finn the Human from Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.